Hello guys. Today I'll show you how to jailbreak your iOS 13 easily, with Uncover Jailbreak. Let's check the version of my device. It's easy process and simple. Follow me. First we need to go to this website unc0ver.zone. Remember, Uncover is written with 0. Once you write that, hit enter and click Jailbreak button that you will find on the home screen. Let's click here. Click Allow and then Close. Let's go to Settings to install our jailbreak. You can find the jailbreak files in two places. First in Profile downloaded, and the second place is by going to General and Profile. Let's start installation. Hit install and put your iPhone PIN code, then install again and you are done. Let's click install again and done, we installed the jailbreak. Now, let's open the jailbreak files. Click Jailbreak and confirm that. Let's wait for the app to install Cydia and other jailbreak files. Let's keep waiting. It's installing the files. Now it looks like everything is fine. All we have to do is restart our iPhone and see if it's containing Cydia. Let's restart it. Let's turn on the iPhone again. Enter your PIN code. Look for Cydia app. Let's search for it. Yeah, it is here. The jailbreak is installed successfully. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.